Okay, what do we have today?
Right now I want to talk about extreme environments, like the high temperatures of steel factories, caustic humidity of paper production, and the harsh chemical washdown of food processing equipment. If you put equipment in those environments, then you need Molex Brad quick change connectors, which are built to deliver years of uninterrupted performance in the most challenging circumstances. Quick change connectors are sealed to an IP67 rating to keep water out, and they have a nylon coupling nut and receptacle shell so there's no hardware corrosion. The connectors are available with 2, 3, or 4 poles and are rated for up to 30 amps, allowing them to be used with motors and other high amperage devices in a wide variety of applications. Molex Brad quick change connectors are bright yellow for enhanced visibility and are key to reduce the chance of mismating.